Introducing the 2025 CUPRA Leon 2.0 TDI 150B horsepower, 5-door automatic in stunning blue. With only 12,302 kilometres, this vehicle is practically brand new, packed with comfort and safety features like air conditioning, cruise control, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking. The luxurious interior includes cup holders, ambient lighting, and luxury trim. Stay connected with Bluetooth, MP3 Connection, voice control, and wireless charging. Plus, security features like ABS, anti-collision system, and parking assistance ensure peace of mind. This vehicle undergoes a full multi-point health and safety check, comes with a comprehensive warranty, and is serviced to manufacturer to specification. Visit blackwatermotors.ie or call us today for more information on this amazing vehicle.